Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1 cup of packed light brown sugar, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. We'll also use 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. Finally, 1½ cups of your preferred chocolate chips will complete our list. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter with the brown and granulated sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. With our base dough ready, it's time for the stars of the show. Gently fold in the 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. Be careful not to overmix. We want to keep the texture light. Then, add the 1½ cups of chocolate chips, stirring them in until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. This step ensures every bite has that perfect balance of chewy oats and melty chocolate. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough cookies, so mix just until everything is combined. Finally, it's time to bake these beauties. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are just set. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your warm, chewy, and utterly delicious oatmeal chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.